Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys how to claim your daily 5 million Hamster Kombat points, right? Okay guys, after watching this video, please do well to replicate everything I'm going to show you in this video on your Hamster Kombat account, and you're going to claim your 5 million daily combo offer. Right, let's jump into the video. But before we proceed, if you love video like this and you want to gain value, do well to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, and do well to give this video a like. So once I drop videos like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now let's get straight to my Telegram. Let me show you guys how to actually get your 5 million Hamster Kombat daily combo. All right, follow me. Let me go to my Telegram page and I show you guys how it's done. Do well to watch this video to the very end so you watch and also follow step by step protocol how to do it on your own Hamster Kombat. Right, don't skip nothing guys. I'm going to be showing you guys from start to finish, so do well to watch this video. Anyway you don't understand, just do well to rewind and follow suit so you can achieve same results on your Hamster Kombat. Now let's get into my Telegram so that I show you guys how it works. Okay, this is my Telegram and I'm going to be looking for my airdrop. Guys, if you've not actually created a folder like this for all your airdrops, I don't know what you're doing, because believe me guys, you're mixing it up. So I advise you create a folder like this on your Telegram so you can actually add up all the airdrops you're actually farming. I'll be making a video differently on showing you how to create a folder like this on your Telegram, just in case you don't know how to do that. Right now, for the sake of this video, I want to show you how to get your 5 million Hamster Kombat points. Okay, now let me locate my Hamster Kombat. Right now, this is my Hamster Kombat. I'm going to be opening that. Then I'm going to show you how to claim the 5 million daily combo offer right away. All right, so guys, I am in my Hamster Kombat. Right, let's get to the mining section. Okay, this is what I'm talking about guys. This is the 3 cards I'm going to be guessing. Right, I'm going to be guessing these 3 cards, and if I get it correctly, I will be given this 5 million offer. Right, okay, this is the first card, this is the second card, and this is the third card. You could see that there's a question mark on each of the cards. Right, now I'm going to be starting right away. Please do well to watch this to the very end so you can replicate same thing on your own Hamster Kombat. Right, okay, this is me trying to locate where the first card is. Okay, first of all, what I always like doing is that I like going through all, all the cards so that I get to, see what the destiny is. Do well to watch this video to the very end. I will show you guys how to get the cards. Let's get started quick. All right, let's go first to the special. The first card is actually the Hamster Daily Show. So you go to the special and look for my card. You've seen this special and my card. So once you get to special my card, you look for the Hamster Daily Show. Hit on it and go ahead. All right, first card has been unlocked. So the second card guys I'm going to be looking for is the second card. So the second card is actually the long squeeze. So you still go under the special and the my card. Special and my card is how you actually unveil the second card. Still under special, you look for special and new card. Okay, let's look at new card. Special, still on special and new card. Right, for the second card, special and new card. Now we're looking for long squeeze. We have short squeeze. Boom, we have long squeeze. So what you're going to do, this is long squeeze for the second card. You click on long squeeze and you go ahead. All right guys, I hope you're watching. This is the second card I've just claimed, so it's left with the third card. All right, this is the third card. So the third card, I'm going to be going to legal. Right, the legal, I will look for, remember guys, the third card is under legal. So under the legal, I'm going to be looking for license UAE. You've seen this license UAE. I'm going to be clicking on it. Go ahead. Boom. All right guys, did you guys just notice that I have actually claimed all the 3 cards? Okay guys, if you have actually gained value on this video, do well to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so when I post content like this, you will be the first to be notified guys. I do this video every day. Right, every day I get updates about cryptocurrency, how to make money. I share on this channel, so do well to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and also click like, so when I bring videos like this, you will definitely be the first to be notified. All right guys, do well to replicate everything I've shown you in this video on your own Hamster Kombat, and you're going to get success, right? See you guys in the next video. Signing out. Peace.